Students, we start the differentiation, that is very important topic for you. It is application is given below. You should note down in your copy. It is the first formula S. Dear students, we can solve the differentiation of ddx of x की power n equals to nx n minus 1. It is very important formula for you. Dear students, y equals to x की power n, it is the function. We increase the value y plus delta y equals to x plus delta x to the power n. We subtract and get y plus delta y minus y equals to x plus delta x की power n minus x की power n. We divided by x delta x and taking limit in both sides, we get limit delta x tending to 0 delta y upon delta x equals to limit x tending to 0 x plus delta x की power n minus x की power n upon delta x. Here we apply the binomial theorem x की power n plus n x की power n minus 1 into delta n and so on minus x की power n divided by x. So x की power n will be cancelled and limit delta x tending to 0 delta x n minus 1 and so on. Here delta x and delta x will be cancelled and its value is be like dy bate dx. It is also written as f dash x. We get the value of ddx of y equal to nx n minus 1. Here the value of y is known as x की power n. ddx of written in both sides, we write nx n minus 1. स्टूडेंट्स आप लोगों को याद होगा कि यहाँ n की पावर x की पावर n में n पहले आ जाता है और n से एक पावर घट जाती है. हमने यहाँ पर इसका उपयोग किया. एग्जाम्पल x की पावर 3, x की पावर 7, x की पावर 9, x की पावर 11, x की पावर 5. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, चेक करें ddx ऑफ x की पावर 3. यहाँ 3 हमारी n है और x हमने निकाला तो 3 n के स्थान पर हो गया ex n minus 1 अर्थात 3 minus 1 equals to 2 3x square. इसी प्रकार ddx of x की पावर 7 ex 7 minus 1 equals to 7 x की पावर 6. ddx of x की पावर 9 equals to 9x की पावर 9 minus 1 equals to 9x की पावर 8. ddx of x की पावर 11 equals to 11x की पावर 10. ddx of x की पावर 5 we write 5x की पावर 4. डियर स्टूडेंट, हम इन चीजों को अब सॉल्यूशन एप्लीकेशन में इस प्रकार से शो करेंगे. आइए इन चीजों को हम लोग देखते हैं. इसमें पॉजिटिव इंटीजर पावर होनी चाहिए. स्टूडेंट्स, द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इज दैट एट फर्स्ट ddx of x की पावर n, हाउ कैन आई ऑब्टेन इट? लेट रूल नंबर फर्स्ट, एट फर्स्ट बी लेट y equals to x की पावर n. Further, we differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, ddx of y equals to ddx of x की power n. We can write n x की power n minus 1 ddx of x. Here we know that its value is 1. So we write dy dx equals to nx n minus 1. It is very important formula. You should also write the formula ddx of 1 upon x की पावर n minus n upon x की पावर n plus 1. ddx of root x equals to 1 upon 2 root x. ddx of 1 upon root x equals to minus 1 upon 2 x की पावर 3 by 2. ddx of x equals to 1. ddx of c equals to 0. Here, student, look at it is the variable and constant, so its differential is 0. Here the variable are same, so its value is 1. ddx of 1 upon root x, so it is value is denominator, so minus 1 upon 2 and x e power 3 by 2, only one power will increase. ddx of root x equals to 1 upon 2 root x. It is very important formula. We provide the some questions on it. Student, we provide the most important formula ddx of ax plus b की power n equals to n x n minus 1. It means n ax plus b फंक्शन लिखा जाएगा पावर n minus 1, पावर से a घटा दिया जाएगा ddx of ax plus b. n ax plus b की पावर n minus 1, ddx of ax में a कांस्टेंट बाहर होगा, ddx of x plus ddx of b. But dear students, n ax plus b की पावर n minus 1, a ddx of x की वैल्यू 1 plus ddx of b as a constant, therefore its value will be 0. We multiply na, we get na ax plus b की पावर n minus 1. It is my required differentiation. We get the one example, differentiate 2x plus 5 to the power 7. Let y equals to 2x plus 5 to the power 7. Differentiate with respect to x. We get ddx of y equals to ddx of 2x plus 5 to the power 7. But dear students, here 7 is power n equals to ax, a place is 2 or b place is 5. Therefore we are applying n means 7, ax plus b, 2x plus 5 as is same, n minus 1, 7 minus 1, power will decrease, ddx of axb means 2x plus 5. Therefore saving 2x plus 5 to the power 6, ddx of 2x plus 5, 2 as a constant, ddx of x plus ddx of 5. We know that 2 ddx of x is 1, ddx of 5 is constant, so we multiply by 7 to the 14, 2x plus 5 to the power 6. It is my required differentiation. Dear students, let's we understand the following questions. It is very important. Differentiate ddx of root sin 3x plus 7. स्टूडेंट्स आपको मालूम होना चाहिए यहाँ रूट लगा हुआ है, ये एक अपने में फंक्शन है, साइन ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन है और 3x plus 7 पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन है. यहाँ पर तीन फंक्शन दिए गए हैं. Let y equals to root sin 3x plus 7 differentiate with respect to x, ddx of y equals to ddx of root sin 3x plus 7. We are used in formula ddx of y equals to ddx of root x. ddx of root x means 1 upon 2 root x ddx of x. So ddx of under root sin 3x plus 7 1 upon 2 root x, we write sin 3x plus 7 फिर ddx of x की वैल्यू 1 है. यहाँ ddx of 3x plus 7 is not 1, therefore we write ddx of sin 3x plus 7, its value is cos 3x plus 7, further ddx of variable 3x plus 7. Therefore dy बटे dx equals to 1 upon 2 under root sin 3x plus 7, ddx of sin 3x plus 7 as cos 3x plus 7, ddx of 3x की वैल्यू 1 है और ddx of 7. Here we can write and solve dy बटे dx 3 by 2 cos 3x plus 7 root sin 3x plus 7. It is my required answer. And we apply the application formula ddx of root x equals to 1 upon 2 root x. In this formula, we can apply different types of the trigonometrical, logarithmic, exponential and other functions like as. We provide some examples. Dear students, we have to take 3 examples like as differentiate e to the power root x, e to the power root 2x plus 3, e to the power root cot root x, etc. It is the first. We take y equals to e की power root x, differentiate with respect to x, ddx of y, ddx of e की power root x, e की power root x or ddx of root x of this. We solve it or we get the application of ddx of root x, dy बटे dx e की power root x upon 2 root x. It is my required answer. Similarly, y equals to e की power root 2x plus 3, differentiate with respect to x, e की power root 2x plus 3, we write e की power root 2x plus 3, ddx of root 2x plus 3, we write directly 1 upon 2 under root 2x plus 3, ddx of 2x plus 3. We solve it, we get the result e की power root 2x plus 3 upon root 2x plus 3. Similarly, third, write y equals to e की power root cot root x. It is very important question. Differentiate with respect to x, ddx of y, it means ddx of e की power root cot root x. बच्चों e की पावर में लिया गया फंक्शन चेंज नहीं होता है, इसलिए e की पावर अंडर रूट कॉट रूट एक्स ऐसा ही रहेगा और ddx ऑफ अंडर रूट कॉट रूट एक्स का हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. e की पावर रूट कॉट रूट एक्स इक्वल्स टू ddx ऑफ रूट कॉट रूट एक्स का 1 अपॉन 2 रूट कॉट रूट एक्स और ddx ऑफ कॉट रूट एक्स. बच्चों हम जानते हैं dy dx इक्वल टू e की पावर अंडर रूट कॉट रूट एक्स अपॉन 2 रूट कॉट रूट एक्स. ddx of cot root x means minus cosec square root x or further ddx of root x. We can explain the ddx of root x means 1 upon 2 root x. We multiply and get the answer is dy बटे dx equals to minus cosec square root x e to the power root cot root x upon 4 root x under root cot root x. It is my required answer. They are very important question for you. We explain the formula and based the problem you should consider it.